I have had this cute coffee press for about a year now, and I just love it. It does make fabulous coffee, but to be honest, I use it more with this for tea. It does great with loose tea. As you can see, it's a little stained up right now. But yeah, and I like how it's curved here, because then when you have it in and you do the plunger, you can turn this here for serving and then not serving, because it keeps your coffee or tea really nice and warm and toasty. And the size is good too. I would say this holds probably like 2 really big mugs or 3 normal size coffee cups. It's just a really good product to have if you like your coffee a certain way, or you're going to have a few cups of tea at one time, or maybe you and somebody else. Regardless, it's a great item and would probably make a good gift too.
Okay, so this is a review on this coffee pot, French press, that you guys are obviously considering, 750 milliliters. I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. This thing just is like classy looking. It actually looks like it's, honestly, it's beautiful. I mean, everything is just like so well made. And you say the inside is just very well made. My wife is approving it. It came with these extra screens. I guess right there, it looks like it came with 2 extra screens. If you have any questions, problems, and then some instructions. So if you guys are considering getting this, I have no regrets. But again, I've not used it, but like first impressions is wow. I am impressed. I am impressed.
What more can I say? It's perfect.